Insight is a sandbox for the hotel management industry. It helps answer three questions: where should I build a hotel, what kind should it be, and what decisions maximize profitability. Questions you pay a consultant thousands of dollars to get answered. This is Market Discovery, a map that shows real hotel inventory pulled from Stay 22. Names, prices, star ratings. You can hover over any marker to see details. You can also click on for more details. This is a heat map of our opportunity layer. The Toronto has been divided into a grid where each block gets an opportunity score from 1 to 100 based on revenue potential, unmet demand, and competition pressure. Greener areas are more promising for a new hotel or Airbnb. I like this spot downtown. High opportunity score, moderate competition. Let's drop a pin here and build the real deal. Now we're in the sandbox. The location context is carried over. Date as I start to configure the hotel's parameters. I can choose the hotel type to be a luxury hotel, for example. I can have 190 rooms. I want a 4-star hotel, quite modern. And here, this is reflected in the estimated metrics. They update instantly to reflect the parameters of the hotel. We can add things like a pool, which instantly again updates things like average daily rates as well as occupancy. We can add things like breakfast. We can add things like EV, parking, Wi-Fi, etc. to make this a hotel. The prediction of daily rate, occupancy, and ratings are given by an extreme gradient boosting model retrained on Kaggle datasets on hotel and Airbnb data. And the other metrics are derived from calculations from data that we have from Stay 22. Now let's hear what our AI agents think. Here, two Gemini-powered agents react from different perspectives. The guest agent only comments on the hotel experience, like comfort, value, and willingness to book. The revenue manager gets our full predicted metrics and grounds recommendations in the actual simulation data. So if we go back to the Discover map and we click on an existing accommodation, we can actually edit its parameters to see what it would be like if we changed its accommodations, for example, or if we changed its hotel type, or if we renovated it to be more modern. That would be reflected again in the metrics, estimated metrics. And again, we can prompt an AI discussion to evaluate our changes. And after we save, as long as we're logged in with Auth0, we can go back to the map and see that all of our newly built hotels as well as our edited hotels can be accessed like here. We can also see all of the hotels we've saved in our profile. And ultimately, Insight allows us to transform hotel planning from intuition and spreadsheets into an interactive AI-powered digital twin.